Let's create a new page. We'll title it Instagram Post Planner. And then we'll add icon, add cover. We'll just keep it this. We'll increase the width to full size. Now we'll create a table inline. This will be named Instagram. The first one will be called the Instagram planner, and the second one will be hashtag. After entering some data, now we will link hashtag group with the Instagram planner with the help of relation and roll-up functionality. To do that, we need to click here. Then from here we have to click relation, and we have to select this table hashtag and link, and we will name this to hashtag groups. Basically, this we are creating here a drop down functionality with the help of relation, just like this. All the options which are here down in this table will appear here, and we will just select some option for the schedule and pending one. Now we're going to create another property, and it's going to be roll up, and we're going to name it hashtag. With the help of roll-ups, we can get the information of this table into this table, and it's going to search with, it's going to look up this value in this table, and it's going to provide these data back into this table. We will create an existing relation because it's going to search from this on the base of this, and we're going to select the hashtag which we want, and from here I'm going to click on the wrap cell, and basically it's going to provide all the hashtag from here to here. And now we're going to do another roll up because there is a limit on Instagram as we can only put 30 hashtags. So we want to count the number of hashtags with the help of a roll up, total hashtag count, and we're going to select same the existing, and from here we will change tag count. Basically now it's going to provide this data, this, but we're going to change it here. We'll click here, and from show original we will select the sum. So basically it's going to sum it all together. Let's say if I add snack, it goes 7, is going to automatically change 7 here. So that's the power of roll up. Recap: so far we have created our main planner table, and the second one for the common hashtags, which is down below. We'll just hide this, we don't need this. And now we're going to create a gallery view so that we can plan our post accordingly, how it will look on Instagram. So to do that, just come here, add a view, and select the gallery. I have already created the gallery view. So all your posts are going to look like this. From here, I'm going to change the properties like status. So this is scheduled for 30th September, and but as you see, since it does not have a picture, it's a blank. Very easy to insert a picture. Just drag and drop here, and the picture will show up. You can basically resize it as per your preference, large, medium, fit to size. Have a look here how it's going to appear on your Instagram, and you can plan accordingly. So that's the central theme. Now we're going to go to our default view. Now we're going to schedule a post. That's for today, and we'll put our time also. Let's say 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's going to add a reminder. So this is how you're going to schedule or you post, and you will get a notification on your mobile application if you have installed Notion on your mobile phone. Once you get a notification on your mobile, just open the app and this entry, specific entry, let's say this, and go to this column. Simply copy all the hashtags from here and just paste it into your Instagram application. We have created common hashtag group with the help of relation and rollup here, and then we have done the central theme also with the help of gallery view.